Huntington, New York. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 250 SDX by Sea Ray. This is the outboard model. So we just start here in the rear of the transom. As I mentioned, it does have a 250 Mercury. Great power, good option for this boat. Another cool feature about this boat is you have the bolster that's forward or back. So if you're in the water and you want to hang out, you flip the bolster back. This will actually slide forward and give you more room on the swim platform. Really neat. Don't see too many boats that do this at all. You do have charging ports back here for your electronics, which is very handy. And you have storage underneath the seat right here. Lots of storage that moves all the way up. As we walk forward, you have a walkway here to the starboard side. You have stereo controls, very conveniently located. So if you're hanging out on the back, you can control your stereo from there. Don't have to move forward. They did a great job with the battery switch here. Easily accessible as you step on the boat, right there at your fingertips. And again, as I mentioned, this will slide back, and now you have a big L-shaped sheeting for this 25-foot boat, which is a lot of room, put a lot of people back here. And this seat is in the back position now, so it will slide forward if you want to stop, anchor up, and swim in the water. As we continue to move forward, both the port side chairs and the captain's seat, the bolsters also move forward, giving you again plenty of room to entertain. This is a great boat, bring a lot of friends, family out on the water, plenty of seating for everybody. They will move back while underway. At the helm here, you have one large multi-function Simrad display screen. Has your information, maps, depth, GPS, all that good stuff. You also have a very unique head here with a lot of space. You can get cushions, you can make a pillar back there. It's a great place to store stuff while you're out on the water. You want to get things out of the way. Moving forward, you do have portside walkthrough with a door that closes. With the window closed, this will break off the wind. It makes it nice and comfortable for a ride. And because this is an SDX, you have the very large front up here. Plenty of seating. This boat does come with a front boarding ladder. So if you wanted to go to the beach and crawl off the front, easy access from that ladder there. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat that we have in inventory, please give us a call. We can be reached at 631-424-2710. My name is Josh. Be happy to help you, as well as any of our other team members. Hope to see you on the water, and thank you for stopping by.